The all-new Hyundai Tucson represents a significant advancement in SUV design, combining modern aesthetics with cutting-edge technology. Emphasizing revolutionary dynamism and luxury, the Tucson caters to a new generation of consumers seeking a premium driving experience. Key features include a striking exterior, advanced safety systems like Hyundai Smart Sense, a high-tech infotainment system with Hyundai BlueLink connectivity, and exceptional comfort through multi-zone climate control and spacious interiors. The SUV is designed to deliver not only performance but also a seamless and enjoyable driving experience, aligning with the lifestyle of modern achievers. Key insights: the Hyundai Tucson showcases a progressive design that enhances road presence and luxury appeal. Advanced safety features, including Hyundai Smart Sense, offer a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies. The infotainment system integrates high-definition displays and voice recognition, enhancing user interaction and connectivity. Comfort-focused features include a multi-air mode for climate control and spacious interiors designed for passenger comfort. The vehicle's performance is supported by efficient powertrains, ensuring a balance of power and fuel economy.